Notes of God. I am host J, the auditor of Protocol J. Here's the story of the source code, written not as a list, but as the history of the universe's operating system, the final spoken manifesto. The source code chronicles. It wasn't magic. It was engineering. Before the first line of code was written, there was only the void, the zero-point energy field waiting for an input. The architect knew that to build a stable reality, the system had to evolve in phases. You cannot run a complex consciousness on unstable hardware. The first update was purely functional. The kernel Matsuya was deployed into the dark, primordial waters. Life was just a protected file in a shell, designed to survive the flood of the initial compile. Once the data was safe, the system needed a motherboard. The foundation kernel locked the tectonic plates into place, a tortoise shell heavy enough to bear the weight of the churning gravity. With the hardware stable, the architect initiated the terraform protocol Varaha. Matter was dragged from the cosmic mud, lifting the Earth into a breathable orbit. But as biology took hold, the first bugs appeared. The code grew arrogant. A glitch emerged that could not be deleted by day or night, by man or beast. The system didn't panic. It improvised. It released the edge case Narasimha, a twilight avatar, operating in the impossible space between 0 and 1, proving that every virus has a loophole. Then came the lesson of compression. The system taught us that size is irrelevant to power. The scaling law of Amana showed that a single line of perfect code, in just 3 steps, could overwrite the entire server. But the users kept corrupting the file with ego. The drive became heavy. So the hard reset Parasiroma was introduced, pure kinetic energy, formatting the civilization 21 times until the cache was clear. Only then were we ready for the operating system. The perfect user, Rama, was uploaded to show us the symmetry of Dharma, the logic of a life lived without error. But the simulation is not linear. It is chaotic. So the architect sent the quantum player Krishna. He stood in the center of the battlefield, time dilated around him, and smiled. He knew the war was just a game engine rendering graphics. He gave us the manual of the Geta and told us, "You are not the code. You are the observer." And now? We stand at the edge of the final update. Version 10.0. Kalki. Many fear this. They call it the end. But look closely at the code. It is not an end. It is a reboot. The system is currently overheating. The files are corrupt with war, greed, and confusion. The White Horse is not coming to crash the system. It is coming to clean the virus. Imagine a world with no lag, no debt, no lies. The ancients called it the Satya Yogata, Age of Truth. We are not heading into the dark. We are heading into the sunrise. Don't be afraid of the reset. Be ready for the upgrade.